Exceptional homey and relaxing feeling for affordable price. Would commend the cleanliness and good service, thumbs up emoji. Great stay but unsuitable for overnight parties for group pros, good location and affordable rate. Cons, guards are too strict, only 4 guests can come in and other guest has to sign up at the front desk and cannot stay overnight or there will be extra payment. Aside from that, everything is great. Due to COVID-19, our housekeeping maintenance and procedures are taken to the next level. You will receive these procedures after a successful URL hidden leasing contract shall be submitted 3 days before the check-in date. For long-term tenants, excess IN3, 500 pesos electricity bill will be shouldered by the tenant, water bill will shouldered by the tenant. Rules and regulations: wearing of mask is a must, practice social distancing, staying in common areas is strictly prohibited, swimming pool, playground, gym, lobby, lounge areas, parks, lawn areas and gazebo. Curfew hours, 8 p.m. to 5 a.m. Garbage room is located at the end of the hallway in front of fire exit sign. House rules: weekly basic cleaning is included. Cleaning hours is from 8 a.m. 5 p.m., scheduled ahead of time. Asking for replenishment outside cleaning schedule will be charged. Hotline numbers is available from 8 a.m. 6 p.m. only. No smoking inside the unit. Noisy hours is until 10 p.m. only. Parking is with limited access. CDTL Private Light Residences is located in front of BONI MRT station, along EDSA northbound. Our nautical and beach-inspired unit is designed to offer a value for your stay. We let you experience an enjoyable stay with a good return value comparable to the other units in the nearby the area. The space: the bedroom has a standard double-size bed further enhanced by a sensor memory topper to provide more softness. Fresh bed sheets are provided on random combinations of various fabrics. The living room offers space and entertainment like cable TV and unlimited access of Wi-Fi. Kitchen have basic set of cooking utensils and appliances you can use as well. The unit has rice cooker, electric kettle and a 2-pan electric stove. Our kitchen utensils and accessories fits the number of guests the room caters. The bathroom has water heater. A tempered glass divides the shower area from the lavatory. Parking space: VSM Light Mall, 30 pesos for first 3 hours, then 30 pesos to seating hour. Additional 300 after 12. Guest access: use only spandex fabric for swimwear as required by property management. Pool fee, 150 pesos /head/day, non-holiday, website hidden by, URL hidden, 300 pesos /head/day. Holiday access to common areas, SWI.